Hey, if you wonder if iPhone 16 is waterproof, then yes, right here on the iPhone 16 we can find IP68 rated, which means that they can actually withstand the water submersion up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. And you have to also remember that the water resistant on these smartphones, basically on every smartphone or device, is actually served as a safety net. So this is like some kind of the feature that you actually shouldn't test. You have to actually avoid exposure to actually use it under the water. Just keep it in mind. So if your iPhone like gets wet, you should actually turn it off, dry it with a cloth, and remove all of your accessories, like case, like temper the glass on the camera, and simply dry it properly. And yeah, that will be all, and thanks for watching.